So I managed to catch one of our famous guy here, Siamak. So just a little bit of introduction about Siamak. Siamak is the principal for Sigma Geo, and he is also the immediate past president for ASIC. He has a tremendous amount of experience in geomembrane lining systems, particularly in mining sector as well. So today, let's get some of his input on some of this question. Siamak, so can you help me out here and maybe give a little bit of your opinion? Is there any considerations that engineers can take into or pay attention to for the applications of geomembrane, specifically in the mining application? Maybe you can give your thoughts on this.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the invitation. And I think the main thing that we should really consider as part of design for any facilities with geomembranes in a mining environment is the difference between conventional sealing or barrier systems that we use in any other applications compared to solutions or liquids that are used in mining industry. So the main consideration must be that the standards such as GRI that we always refer to are very known and used everywhere for conventional barrier systems. We should pay attention more and more to the application in mining industry in terms of the liquids that we deal with, tailings liquid or brine liquids or contaminated solutions, as well as looking into the geomembrane itself, the resin material, the properties of the material, and really that requires a lot of maybe testing or pre-testing as part of the design.
Yeah, I realized that I think just now you just presented a short presentation on immersion testing. So my next question, this will be very relevant to that, which is, do you think geomembrane immersion test is important in the sense of or in the context of mining application? Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Exactly, yeah. So I think the main focus of the presentation I had in this conference was basically on just creating that, just informing the designers about the differences between the liquids that we deal with in different applications, especially in mining or coal seam gas, for example, industry, that we really need to do more testing. Immersion testing is one of them, for example. This is what we did for this study that I presented here, but also looking at the components that actually make that geomembrane.
Yeah.
So we really need to look at a high performance geomembrane, as I would call it, something that is going to be more durable, just considering the environment that is going to be used.
All right, cool. So the last question, a little bit tricky, is an open question. In your opinion, do you think there's anything that can be done at the site during installations to improve the efficiency of the geomembrane material itself, to ensure that there's no defects in the geomembrane? Maybe anything that can be done to improve that?
Yeah, exactly. The one important thing that I guess probably the key for construction is the quality assurance. So, for example, in Australia, we have lots of regulations around quality assurance. There should be specific consideration throughout the construction installation of every geomembrane layer that is being installed on the site. So attention to the details such as wells, such as anchor trenches, such as like bridging of the material, contraction expansion of the material, and then more importantly a complete LIS, leak survey, just to identify any holes that are left after the construction is finished. And that just gives us more confidence in terms of the end product, the final product is going to perform as per the design intent.
All right, sweet. That's all. Thanks for your time.
Thanks very much.
See you next time.
Thank you.